Students, now in this session we'll discuss question number 5 and 6 of exercise 11.3, and also we'll do question number 1 of exercise 11.4 also. Okay, so let's begin with question number 5 of exercise 11.3. So again we have to write some expression. So I'm reading out the first question. 11 added to 2m. So how to write it down? 11 added to 2m. So this is the expression of question number A, sub number A. Now what is B? 11 subtracted from 2m. Now again be careful with this from part. So 11 subtracted from 2m. So from 2m we have to subtract this 11. Now what is sum number C? 5 times y to which 3 is added. 5 times y means 5 into y, and with this you have to add 3. So how to write this? 5y plus 3. Okay students, now what is sum number D? We are having 5 times y from which 3 is subtracted. Now from 5 times y you have to subtract 3. Now it's very important sum. Now what is sum number E? Y is multiplied by minus 8. Y is multiplied by minus 8. So yesterday also I've asked you how to write this. Minus 8 would be here, and then we are supposed to write y. Do not write y a minus 8y. Okay, so how to write? You have to follow this pattern. Minus 8y. Now f. Now what is there in f? Y is multiplied by 8 and then 5 is added to the result. Now first of all you have to multiply y with 8 and then you have to add 5 to it. So what is the result of this one? That is minus 8y plus 5. So this is the final expression. Now what is G? Y is multiplied by 5 and the result is subtracted from 16. From 16, that means from 16 what we have to subtract? We have to subtract the product of y into 5. So the final expression will look like 16 minus 5y. Okay. Now number H. Y is multiplied by minus 5 and the result is added to 16. So when y is multiplied by minus 5, the result is added to 16. So what is the result of y into minus 5? It will be minus 5y plus 16. Okay. So these are the solution of sum number 5. Now let's move on to sum number 6. Sum number 6 is what? From expression using t and 4, use not more than one number operation. Every expression must have t in it. Okay, so in question number A is what we have to do. They have given two terms, that is t and 4, and with this t and 4s we have to show a different operation. So what are the two things given? T and 4, isn't it? So what are the operation that we can show? The first operation we can show is t plus 4. Another operation that we can show is t minus 4. We can also show 4 minus t, because these are different. 4 plus t and t plus 4 is same, but t minus 4 and 4 minus t is different. Okay, now we can also write 4t, and okay, and another would be t by 4, and the next one we can write is 4 divided by t. So these are the different operation that we can do with t and 4. Okay, so what is question number? This is A, students. This is sum number A. Now let's see what is there in sum number B. Now in sum number B we have from expression using y, 2 and 7. See, there are three terms are given this time, y, 2 and 7. Now with this you have to do the same thing, same operations, a different operation we have to show. So how to write it down? The first operation that we can show is 2y plus 7. This is a type of expression that we can write. Or we can write 2y minus 7 also, isn't it? We can write 7y plus 2, or we can write 7y minus 2 also, isn't it? And so these are the different type of expressions that we can write. So I've given you 4 expressions. You can write many other. Okay. So this is a solution of sum number 6, A and B, and 5, all the sum. So in my next session, in my next videos, I will do sum number 1 of exercise 11.4. Okay students, thank you, and all of you take care.